All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the YouTube channel, Young Forex. And once again, we're going to be talking about a coin or token that we all know and love very well called XRP. Now, in today's video, we do have some interesting news, unlike other videos, because we have had some type of price action movement in the markets. As we all know, the crypto markets have been pretty flat, and market capitalization has dropped across the board, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, especially Ethereum. Ethereum has, if I just switch over to Ethereum really fast, I know this video is about Ripple, but damn, has Ethereum dropped drastically. Now, I think this is because we've really found a floor in the market, and this is where we've had previous support. And if I just zoom in, you could see that we're just starting to regain balance of the market, and the market's just really finding a floor, and now I think we're going to be headed up again to around 350 before we retrace even further. But that's that. Let's move back to XRP USD. Today we had some very interesting movement in Ripple. We saw, or XRP, I completely apologize. The proper terminology is XRP. We saw Ripple really hit, or oh, there I go again. XRP. I have to mess something up, guys. We saw XRP hit a bottom. Really, I personally think this is the bottom of the market due to the fact that we tested it once here, we tested it again here, and now we've really taken off. And the EMAs have I can't talk today. The EMAs have crossed over to the upside, and I mean, is this really a significant sign? Not really, because they had done that in the past. We've seen that here. We went from 46 cents all the way up to 80 or 95, and then we saw even greater downfall. But what's even more important is that I think that what's happening is with the price of Ripple, the big institutional banks and the big investment banks, including banks that have been partnered with, and yes, Ripple, the company, I'm not talking about the coin. What's happened is that the company is partnered with Sanitarium Bank, JP Morgan, Chase Bank, and I think in order for these people, and before I even continue what I was saying, I'm going to open the Telegram really fast and show, uh, this is my members Telegram. I'm going to show you guys a video that I sent out to all of my members. Where was it? Let's see. Okay. Whoops, that's not what I wanted. Okay, let me just exit out of that. Okay, apologize about that. Why am I stressing out over this video? Well, you'll find out in a second. So, where was it? Okay, so here we could see that Ripple is preparing to launch a commercial version of its payment solution XRapid, and this time it's going to be backed by XRP. So what does this mean? XRP tokens have to be included in this they have to be included in the new XRapid program that the banks are going to be using for cross-border payments. Meaning, if you want to send X amount of money to this country from the U.S., the payment providing system is going to have to be backed by XRP. And if it's not backed by that, then it won't be as fast as the transaction as it would if it was backed by the XRP token. So, for banks to really start accumulating XRP tokens in order to do these type of transactions, I believe that they really have to start accumulating in big amounts. And we're talking about billions of dollars. We're not talking about a few hundred to a few thousand, maybe even a few $1 million. These guys are big players and they accumulate billions at a time, and that's why market capitalization has risen drastically over the course of the last couple of days with Ripple, because they've been putting in small orders to test out the system, and now I believe that maybe they closed a deal or something and they put the order in. And I think that's what really pushed the price down. Not only the sellers and all the psychological phenomenon that occurred and took place to push the Ripple price down, but I really do think it was the banks as well. I think the banks really wanted Ripple to, or Ripple the company wanted XRP the token to fall further continuously to a price point where they know the banks would be comfortable buying at large amounts. And if I was a bank, if I owned an institution that was worth billions and billions of dollars, and I wanted to start this new cross-border, get involved with Ripple, and I had to have XRP tokens in order to do so, I personally wouldn't want to buy at $3. I'd want to buy at 20 cents, right? Just like everyone else would. And they're using it for a practical reason, okay? So keep in mind, guys, banks are here to make money. They're not here to donate to charity, okay? So whatever they do, they have to make money. They have to be profitable, and that's how you have to look at it. But, I mean, what we are stuck in right now is a little bit of a downtrend, as you can see here, what I've drawn out. So once we break this line that I've just drawn out here, we can see we've tested it once, twice, and now 3 times. The wick is rejecting this level, but if I go to the 4-hour, we can see that EMAs have crossed to the upside, and if we do manage to break through this line or downtrend trend line that I've drawn out, I definitely think that we're going to be surpassing it and then breaking the downtrend. So hopefully, I mean, that was a mouthful. I talked really fast because, and there's a reason for that. It's because I want to keep the video short and sweet. I want to get right to the point, and I don't want to make it, want to have to make it longer than it should be. So right now, we just started the new 4-hour candle. We're 2 minutes into it, and it's already a green candle. So hopefully, we could see some positive momentum on this candle closure. And really the only time that I'm going to start accumulating is if I see a break of this downtrend trend line. But it has to close above in a positive momentum or a bullish engulfing candle. So, I mean, that's pretty much, and by the way, I said bearish before I meant bullish, so that's that. Anyways, guys, like I said, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notifications, so every time I post a new video, I only post once a week, so you're not going to get flooded with notifications. Once, I think every Thursday. I've been away for a little bit now. I had to take care of some things, and now I'm back. So expect a video every Thursday. And if you enjoyed what I talked about, if you found it informative, if you thought that you could learn from me, I do have a private, go over to the website right now. I'll show you. If you click the link in the description, and I just lost internet connection as I say that. Anyways, guys, you click the link. It'll take you over to my website. You can become a member. If there's a sale still going on, go ahead and sign up because the sale's going to end. If it's still on, here we go. Internet's back. Where do I want to go? Okay, so cryptoroyalty.org. The link in the description. You'll go over it. Let's find out. Is there a sale still going on or not? I mean, it takes a while to load. This computer's slow. All right. If you guys aren't already dizzy, okay. Yep, 6 days. You have 6 days to purchase it, and $99. It's a one-time fee. And after 6 days, it's going back to $4.99. It's probably going to stay there for a little while. 80% off. So, I mean, what do you really get? I mean, I teach you guys. You can watch this free first video lesson for free. I mean, I teach you guys what I really do. And if you have any questions, contact me. Tell me what you get. But basically, you get access to. I'll see if I'm not gonna log in. I don't want you guys to see my password and username. But if I was logged in, I would have. You get access to 5 videos. I'm gonna be adding even more in about a month or so. I'm still working on the videos. I make them very high quality, and you get access to 5 videos. I train you on trading psychology, trading levels, psychological levels in the market, and basically how to get in and out. Different things that really you wouldn't learn through watching YouTube videos. It'd take you years to learn through watching free YouTube videos. I just wanted to give you guys all the knowledge that I had and put it all into a course because I get questions a lot. So I said, why not make a course about it? And also you'll get access to, and I'll show you this because it's outdated. I mean, it really doesn't matter if you see this. You'll get access to my members group chat where I give calls. Like, for example, I gave a call, if I scroll down, if I find it, on BTC. I said I'm short, and then it fell drastically. Me and my members made some decent profit on that. I mean, although I don't really do a lot of these calls here, I send out once a week. I send out one of these videos where I show you guys exactly how, how the crypto market's reacting to certain news, what news is new, and also what's going on in the market. We talk about market capitalization and things to that nature. So that's pretty much it. You could skip over it, whatever, watch a video. You got a quick little glance of what's in there. I also send out like a 10 to 20 minute in-depth analysis on, the cryptocurrency market once a week, usually on Sundays or Thursdays. And this week was pretty short. Last week I sent out this video. If you haven't already seen this video, I highly recommend you could check it out. It's called Tom Lee Presents the Economics of Cryptocurrencies. It's very, very interesting. The previous week was 20 minutes, my market breakdown. I mean, really a bunch of great content in here. I give you guys news every day. So if you want to become a member, go ahead. I don't want to keep rambling on. And click the link. It's on sale. Go ahead, join if you haven't already. If you missed out the sale the first time, don't miss it this time. And I mean, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys all enjoyed the video and have a fantastic day.